equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed guide on changing the closure system of the Dyson HS fake dryer. This process can be quite intricate, so let's break it down step by step. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a soft brush for cleaning. Begin by unplugging the dryer to ensure safety. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the handle. There are typically 4 screws, so make sure to keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently pull apart the handle casing. Be cautious, as there are small clips that may require a bit of finesse to release. If you find this challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and effort. With the handle open, you'll see the internal components. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris using the soft brush. This is crucial as it can affect the performance of the dryer. Now, locate the closure system mechanism. It's usually situated near the motor assembly. You'll need to remove a few more screws to access this part. Use the Phillips screwdriver again, and keep track of the screws as you go. Once you have access to the closure system, inspect it for any signs of wear or damage. If it appears broken, it will need to be replaced. If you're unsure about the condition, consider our quote before repair service, which can help you make an informed decision. To replace the closure system, carefully disconnect the old unit by gently pulling it away from its connectors. This may require the use of tweezers to disconnect any small clips. Now, take the new closure system and align it with the connectors. Push it into place until you hear a click, indicating it's securely attached. Before reassembling the handle, double-check that everything is clean and in order. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. Reattach the handle casing by aligning it properly and pressing it together until the clips snap back into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly so, as this can strip the plastic. Finally, plug in the dryer and test the closure system to ensure it operates smoothly. If everything works as expected, congratulations! You've successfully changed the closure system of your Dyson HS fake dryer. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We are here to help with no calls, no travel, making it easy for you to get your appliance back in working order. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.